I miss my dad so much. No one plays with me like he does. Dad buys me what I love. He always said, "Be brave, my little one." I'll bring him to sleep beside me tonight. I'll imagine he's here. Oh, I must do something for my son. His heart is heavy. I miss you, Dad. Can you hear me?
I hear you, my son. How are you, my dears? I'll be home tomorrow with a gift.
But Dad, I'm still worried.
Why, my son?
The followers, they're not subscribing. I'm scared they'll forget our story.